Good morning, students. Today we will talk about remainder theorem. According to remainder theorem, let Px be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and let a be any real number. If Px is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. So when you read this remainder theorem, you will be little bit confused because the language is difficult. So I will make you understand about the remainder theorem in my own way. Okay, let us try to understand this one. Now let us see the example number 7. Divide the polynomial 3x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay. Now when you divide this by x minus 1, the remainder comes out to be minus 5. Now if you simply divide, you know how to divide in your lower class, but there is a simple trick to find out its remainder and very shortcut method, and this is possible with only remainder theorem. If we know the remainder theorem, this is very easy to calculate the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. This is very long method. Now I will tell you how to calculate the remainder by remainder theorem. Now according to remainder theorem, this is Px. This is Px of polynomial whose degree is greater than or equal to 1. You can see its degree is 4. The first thing is given, its degree should be greater than or equal to 1. And what is next? Let a be any real number. A be any real number. This is a. This one is a. Okay, a be any real number. Then if Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then if Px, this is Px, is divided by x minus a, a is 1 here, then the remainder is Pa, This is the remainder theorem. अब भी आपको मेरी लैंग्वेज थोड़ी मुश्किल लग रही होगी, पता नहीं क्या बोला, तो अब मैं अपनी लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाता हूं कि सिंपली सी बात क्या है कि अगर ये पॉलिनोमियल हमारे पास Px इज इक्वल टू 3x टू द पावर 4 माइनस 4x क्यूब माइनस 3x माइनस 1, एंड इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड द रिमाइंडर व्हेन इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 1, तो आपने क्या करना है, रफ में x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0 पुट कर लीजिए, ठीक है, और यहां से x की वैल्यू निकाल लीजिए. x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0, तो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी 1. ये आपका a हो गया. ये क्या हो गया, a हो गया. ये जो मैं बात कर रहा था ये a हो गया. अब आपने व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ pa? मीनिंग ऑफ pa इज वैल्यू ऑफ px एट x इक्वल टू a. तो आपने अभी पिछली वर्कशीट में किया था कि हमने x की जगह यहां पर a पुट कर देना, बस x की क्या पुट कर देना है, a पुट कर देना. तो यहां पर x की वैल्यू क्या है हमारी 1, तो सिंपली हम क्या करेंगे, इसको यहां पर x की वैल्यू 1 पुट कर देंगे. व्हेन divided by x minus 1, then for x equal to 1, x equal to 1 means x equal to a, तो p1 आपने सिंपली क्या करनी, यहां x की वैल्यू 1 पुट कर देनी. 3 into 1 to the power 4 minus 4 into 1 to the power 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 1. अब इसको हम कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. 1 की पावर 4 क्या होगी, 1 ही हो जाएगी, माइनस 1 की पावर 3 क्या होगा, 1 into 4 4 माइनस 3 1 जा 3 माइनस 1, 3 1 जा 3 माइनस 4 माइनस 3 माइनस 1, 3 3 गेट कैंसल्ड, माइनस 4 और माइनस 1 माइनस 5. नाउ यू कैन सी द रिमाइंडर कम्स आउट टू बी माइनस 5. तो वो बड़ा लंबा मेथड है. और यहां पर आपने क्या किया, सिंपली अगर x माइनस 1 से हम इसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो यहां से x माइनस 1 को 0 के इक्वल पुट करके x की वैल्यू निकाल लीजिए। तो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी 1, और यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू क्या पुट कर दीजिए, x की वैल्यू क्या पुट कर दीजिए यहाँ पर 1। देन डू द कैलकुलेशन, you will get the remainder. So P of 1 is -5. So this is the remainder. Now we will start exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1 or x minus 1 by 2 x plus 5 plus 2x. तो ये भी सेम है जो अभी मैंने आपको समझाया। तो ये इसके 4 पार्ट्स हैं। मैं आपके लिए सेकंड पार्ट कर रहा हूं, डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 1 बाय 2। नाउ व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 1 बाय 2, ओके, सो दिस इज a, so we will put the value of a here. So what I told you, x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, then value of x equal to 1 by 2. This work you will do in rough, okay, so that you can know what value of x should be put in px. Okay, this work you will do in rough. So we will put x equal to 1 by 2 when divided by x minus 1 by 2, then for x equal to 1 by 2, p 1 by 2, p 1 by 2 means value of p at x equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, now 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, now p of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now we will take the LCM of this. What is the LCM of all these? LCM will be 8. Now 8 1 ja 8, 1 1 ja 1, 4 2 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, plus 1 8 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. So 12 plus 8 is 20, plus 6 26 for 1, 27 by 8. So this is the remainder. Okay, if you will do this question by actual division, you will find many difficulties, and remainder, it is very difficult to calculate remainder by doing actual division. But when we use remainder theorem, then this task will become very easy. You have to simply substitute the value here and you can easily calculate the remainder. Now the remaining part you will do yourself. Now question number 2 is find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. X minus a when divided by x minus a. Okay, again, if there is x minus a is divisor, then what is the value of x? What I told you, put x minus a equal to 0 in rough and calculate the value of a. X minus a equal to 0, then x equal to a. Okay, it means you will substitute the value of x as a in this polynomial and you will get remainder. Okay, now then for x equal to a, pa, in place of x we will substitute x a cube minus a into, in place of x we will substitute a square plus 6 into a minus a. Now what is a cube? A cube is a cube. A cube minus a square into a cube plus 6a minus a. Now a cube get cancelled. Now 6a minus a, 5a. So this is the remainder. Okay. Now this is the polynomial. Now third question is check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. We have to check whether this is factor of this polynomial or not. What is the meaning of factor? Meaning of factor means when we divide this polynomial by 7 plus 3x, means when we divide this polynomial by 7 plus 3x, remainder comes out to be 0. This is the meaning of this. So if we want to check whether this is factor of this one or not, the remainder comes out to be 0. If the value of remainder comes out to be 0, we will say that this is the factor of this. Now what we do, what I told you, first we will find the value of x in rough. 7 plus 3x equal to 0, 3x equal to minus 7 and x equal to minus 7 upon 3. Now we will put x equal to minus 7 by 3 here and find out whether the remainder is 0 or not. Now for 7 plus 3x, x equal to minus 7 by 3. So p of minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 into, when you multiply 7 3 times, 7 7 ja 49. Now when we multiply 7 3 times, 7 7 ja 49, 7 ja 343 minus 343 upon 3 का क्यूब 27 plus minus minus 7 7 ja 49 by 3, 3 9 ja 27. Now this will comes out to be 343 upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. Now what is the LCM of 9 and 3? It is 9. 9 1 ja 9 and minus 343 1 ja 343 minus 3 3 ja 9, 349 ja 9 3 ja 27, 3 4 ja 12 or 1 13, 9 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 27, 3 4 ja 3 12 or 147. Okay. Now we will add 7 3 10, 4 4 8 or 1 9, 3 and 1 4 minus 490 by 9. So here you can see the remainder is not 0. Therefore 7 plus 3x is not factor of px. Okay, if it comes out to be 0, then we will say it is factor of this. But here you can see when you put minus 7 by 3, the remainder comes out to be minus 490 upon 9. It means 7 plus 3x is not factor of this. With this exercise 2.3 is over. Now in next video I will discuss exercise 2.4 and factor theorem. Thank you very much.